What's up guys, welcome to episode 2 of my engine build series for 300 horsepower or more. So I'm here at JBRE Engines and we're gonna assemble this bad boy. I've been waiting a very long time. As you know, you watched the last video. If you haven't, I'll leave the link down in the description below. A lot of you might be thinking, what has taken so long? Pretty much took me a while to get everything together. I wanted it to be something where it's not rushed. I have all the parts. Come here one day when everybody's ready, assemble the whole thing, pretty much ready to go in the car. Pepsi did the machining today, we did everything. And I still do have my current engine. I'm not using my engine as a core to build this one. I'm actually getting a core from JBRE Engines. They're supplying everything and my engine is gonna stay the same. I'll just keep it as backup or maybe build a turbo motor for the future. I wanna give a big thank you to all the sponsors who contribute to this build, helping me out, getting those parts in on time. K24, Vibrant Performance, Super Tech, Drag Cartel, Injector Dynamics, Passport, and many others. And you guys for supporting this channel. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. I have our online store running every day. I mean, I've been very busy. I'm a one-man team. You know, I do everything myself, ship orders myself, make the products, everything. So, you know, thank you for bearing with me, and especially on this build, man. Like, I still have my engine in the car currently. I haven't took it out. I wanted to finish this motor before I can do that. Now that today's the day, let's start this video. So what we doing here, Jay?
Putting in the hot tank to rinse off all the soda, plastic material, media, and then get it ready for machining.
All right.
The rough pads, and then after this what I do is I deburr all the edges all the way around, all this stuff here by the chambers, and then I do one finish pass.
What's up guys? So now we're here at home. Got the engine here. It's been a long day. But this bad boy's assembled, it's wrapped up. I'm not gonna take off the wrap just yet, because right now I'm just gonna get ready to go over all the parts that I have, see what I have to order. I still need to get a clutch, axles, a few little things like what am I gonna use for the water pump, if I'm gonna go with an OEM water pump or something like an external water pump. K-Tune has a nice kit. Just a few minor things, man, but the major components are the clutch. There's so many clutch options to go with. I'm gonna order a Clutch Masters twin disc. Talking with JBRE and Rob and which clutch would be the right clutch to get for this. We knew Clutch Masters is gonna be the clutch to go with, but we didn't know which stage or which one I should get. So the twin disc is the final decision. So I emailed them already. I got the invoice. I'm just gonna pay it tomorrow so I can have it shipped here in about a week. That way when we take my current engine out, we'll be able to take the trans out, put the clutch in, put the trans back together. And also I'm gonna order their new hydraulic bearing. Pretty sick. Clutch engagement should be a lot smoother, a lot better than, you know, a standard clutch slave. We'll put it all together and then put it in the car. New engine mounts, which I have here. I'm gonna show you in a second. I can't wait to put this engine in. So stay tuned for episode 3, where I install this, the first startup, the first drive, and then we move on to the dyno, where you're gonna see this bad boy for some power. So here I have a bunch of boxes laid out. I'm trying to organize the table a bit, seeing what I need. So thank you Drag Cartel. They sent me this little cover here for the solenoid. Drag Cartel makes a beautiful custom one. So it's gonna go right there, replace that. And it'll go along with my tensioner cover, which is Drag Cartel as well. Beautiful plate. The Hasport engine mounts. These are a lot softer bushings than what I currently have. And then we gotta mount the SpeedFactory catch can. This will go on the corner there because we have the K-Tune vented valve cover, which makes life easy. You don't gotta go send out your valve cover to go get the AN lines, the fittings. Then we have the K-Tune manifold. It's gonna go paired up to the 90mm throttle body. Beast. And then all the E85 ready fuel fittings. Another box with all the hoses. I'm gonna do everything from scratch. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. You guys can go ahead and comment down below what you think about this build so far. I'll be commenting on everybody, replying back. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, you do not want to miss episode 3 and the rest of the content that I have coming out. So be sure to subscribe. This is a new video series that I'm starting now on how to build a 300 horsepower all-motor Honda. JBRE Engine is going to build a new motor from head to block. Completely built K-Series engine that's called the KISS block. And I'm gonna be putting one of those in my car. I'm very excited. Let's get some boxes in here. Which one should we start off with? We should start off.